Hello guys, welcome to Hi Fam. Today we are going to unbox a laptop backpack. This is recommended for school or college going people. I just received a bag of Arctic Box brand from Amazon. Let's open it. I ordered this laptop backpack in black color worth rupees 1500. The bottom of this bag is built from abrasion resistant material, giving the liberty of keeping the bag on any surfaces without any worries. A multifunctional laptop bag that has feature-rich updates like anti-theft, mobile charging port, and a new tech-inspired design, making it a perfect bag for laptop to organize your electronics and simplify your life on the go. In front, you can see the Arctic Fox logo. It has a single spacious and a big compartment to organize your stuff and small accessories. A padded sleeve with a 15 inches laptop compatibility that can be used according to your needs on different occasions. Rain cover comes along with generally a first aid kit, but they send me a mask of their brand. The rain cover comes with a water repellent drawstring rain cover, enabling extra protection from natural elements. It can be worn on the back as you set out through nature. It has a built-in USB port that offers a hands-free convenient charging of your electronic devices. It offers a pocket to keep your power bank as well. It is equipped with a spacious anti-theft single compartment that protects your valuables from external forces. It enables the users to pack more efficiently. Apply anti-theft design technology. Zipper of main pocket is fully hidden in the back of this bag, and no theft will easily open up your backpack. It comes with a 1-year warranty. You can get many other color options from Amazon. I would mention those links in description box. You could get it easily from there. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.